अंदर चल के आपको दिखाती हूँ। बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है बाहर से तो।
Baby, what do you think of the big cannon?
Beautiful. Nice.
Let's see what it says here.
Let's say.
It says 18-pounder British cannon. This cannon is similar in form and detail to the heavy British Frederick Armstrong guns of the late 18th century.
It's a beautiful castle.
Get out of her way. She's trying to get out. Go with mommy.
Wanna go upstairs? Or?
No.
Wow. Yes? Nice. Sultan?
Come, baby. Come.
ये एक प्यारा सा रूम है यहाँ पर। ये एंटीक है। ये देखिए बर्तन है इनके, ये कितने मज़ेदार से।
You watch the baby, mommy.
It's not a kitchen. It's not a kitchen. Nice. Kitchen. It's a kitchen. ये कुआं है, इतना मज़ेदार कुआं है। वो देखिए, अब तो ये ऐसा ही है। ट्रेडिशनल रूम, वुमेन एंड मजालिस। मैं डर गई। कैसल के जो ट्रेडिशनल रूम्स हैं, मैं इनके अंदर आई हूँ। ये मैंने अभी आपको वीडियो में दिखाया भी है। तो अभी मैं बाहर की तरफ जा रही हूँ। बहुत ही खूबसूरत था ये अंदर से, बहुत ही मज़ेदार इनका ट्रेडिशन है। Yes?
You should see it here. It's a nice little museum of stuff.
Okay. Yeah, come. It's a nice little museum. Oh God.
It's talking about the rock art and the architecture of the area,
Yes.
and the plants and animals from the area, like the snow leopard and different birds and things, the landscape. Look, see, this is from the air. See, it's all these rocks and islands.
Yeah.
Daily life, agriculture. Ooh, the axe. The Musandam axe, famous axe from Oman. Pottery, ancient pottery from the old times. And fishing, where they did a lot of fishing.
Fishing. I like fishing.
Yeah, me too. So they do a lot of
Such
fishing.
things, yeah.
And these are all the kinds of fish they have that they catch.
Yeah.
And the boat making.
And what is this thing?
I think it's a post where they would tie the boats up to.
Yeah. Push button to start film.
Very nice. Very nice, Mommy. It's a boat making. Still making boats like they did 1,000 years ago. Yeah,
Old style room.
the king's room, I guess.
Yeah. What is this? Big ball.
A very antique bowl that if you break it, it's worth $1,000,000.
Oh God. I'll not break it. Look, Sultan was looking from here outside.
Look at now, baby, him's tired.
Yeah, Sultan is getting that in Sultan's room.
There's the Omani flag and the castle.
Yeah. Make from their mind to feeding the baby.
Oh, Mommy's giving a bath to her baby.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Poor little baby.
Okay, baby, let's go.
Two.
Oh, wow. You're going to shoot those bad people, huh, with this cannon? My goodness.
Two.
All right.
Two.
Baby, I want to see the cannon.
Okay. Get up there. I'll take a picture with you guys. Justin? I mean, Sultan, get up there with Justin. Nice place. Beautiful place. Coming up to the ship.
It's a big boat. Yes.
Yeah,
It's a big boat.
it's a big boat.
Big?
A big boat.
A big boat. It's a big boat.
Boat.
Ah,
A big boat.
it's a big boat. There it
This
is.
is